Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to continue our series of examining new social media platforms that can help to expand and grow your social media reach. If you miss our other videos in this series, then please check out the professional playlist on this channel. This channel creates content around designing your desired future and creating a balanced life. For many on this channel, growing your social media platform helps with the professional area of a balanced life. Authors, writers, business owners, entrepreneurs, YouTubers, and anyone else who is trying to grow their channels will find this series helpful. Today we're going to talk about another platform. This one is Instagram, more specifically Instagram Reels, which is in direct competition with TikTok. We chose Instagram Reels as one of these 5 tools because Instagram carries a wide range of audience variation and offers great impact on expanding and growth across multiple channels. So let's delve into why Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is easy to use, and we'll have a more in-depth video on the channel in July on making Reels. You can share this in a direct message in your stories or the Explore area. The Explore area opened you up to being discovered by people who don't follow you. Voila! You're increasing and expanding your social reach because you are being exposed to new to you people. Also, the advantage of the Explore page allows you to like, comment, engaging with others can grow your channels, and even share with friends. That means strangers can watch your reel, like, comment, subscribe, and even share your content to their friends. This is a huge opportunity for growth on a very popular platform. It is important to mention here that Instagram is one of the top social media platforms brand collaborators look at for partnerships, so for those looking at this avenue in their business, Instagram growth can be extremely helpful.
A main difference between TikTok and Instagram Reels is 15 seconds and TikTok is 60 seconds. A 15-second video takes less time to produce over a 60-second and can still relay great messages. Some ideas for businesses wanting to use Instagram Reels are behind-the-scenes videos, sneak peeks, how to or explain a reel series. Showcase your product or even show it or your service in action, ask engaging questions, hype up a launch or promotion, use excerpts from your main content. Think of this like a supporting content or call to action, the action being that they join you on your main page. Can you think of more ways to use Instagram Reels? Please share them below. Today's challenge, should you choose to accept it, is to create your first Instagram Reel and then share your Instagram handle below for others to check it out. Be sure to write a brief summary of your content so people will be able to pick which channels to visit. Once you've completed your first reel, pull out your journey journal and reflect on how this can help increase your exposure, grow your channels, and increase your income. Are you finding this series helpful? Please subscribe and click the bell. Check out all the videos on the professional playlist of this channel. In July we'll be doing more in-depth videos on all 5 of the platforms, plus we'll have many more tips and tricks around growing and expanding your social media platform. We'll be running 7-day challenges in the Design Your Best Future membership club, which you can become a member of by clicking join below. The club is only $8.99 per month. Please give this video a like, comment below with any questions you might like to see covered in the more in-depth videos, and share the video. These are free to you and help the channel out immensely. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a fabulous day and we'll see you in the next video.